Hi everyone, got a couple new Benzes in the collection. First up, this is one I've hunted a while. This is an Art Mercedes-Benz 560SEC. I don't remember the platform code offhand, but I have this by KK scale. I think I reviewed it a couple years ago, and so I swapped it out and sold it because this is obviously superior with opening diecast. So we have open grills, typical good detailed auto art wheels, very nice paint. This was brand new in the box. These metal foil emblems always peel a little bit. I'll just put a dab of glue on that later. But aside from that, perfect. So we have scale hinges, nicely detailed engine, not one of those like half, or bottom engines that just shows a little bit of detail. When you see the daylight through the bottom, it's a full engine. 560, back in this time period, actually referred to the engine size, 5.6 liter V8. Today, as you'll see in a little bit, Mercedes numbers, BMW numbers, they don't really mean anything anymore. Look at the warning triangle. That's a neat little detail. Carpeted trunk. This was a great looking car. Very much like 80s stockbroker look. Very nicely detailed interior. Carpeted, of course. These have become quite rare. This is easily a $350 to $500 car today. I bought it locally in a group of cars, so I stole it a little bit at $100 at that price. I'm very much not mad at it. Really neat piece. Glad to have it. Packaging is the slightly updated Millennium. Used to be the Millenniums were the enclosed styro boxes. This is an open window box. It has those annoying metal twist ties to hold the car down, which I hate, but it was brand new in the box. Happy to have it. On the other end of the spectrum is a modern GT Spirit. This is a C63 AMG S. So the C is for the C series. So that's the kind of the tweener. You've got the A, you've got the E, and above that is the S. This is on the smaller side. C63 AMG means twin turbo V8. The 63 used to mean about a 6.3 liter, but now it's actually a 4 liter twin turbo V8 known as a Hot V. Something like 603, something like that in terms of horsepower. Over 600. These are not slow cars. Unfortunately, you do have closed mesh. Bit of a downer. Wheels and tires are decent. Interior is pretty good. Not the most inspiring color, but there is some candy in the white, so it's a bit metallic. This is car number 850 of 1,000. This, I think, is a dealer edition based on the packaging and that nice little metal plaque. This is actually a rare car. It's not an inexpensive car. Typical GT Spirit, there's a slight window bubble. And if you try and fix that, it'll just pop up someplace else. You really have to pull the entire window off. I'd say it's probably a $400 or $500 car on eBay if you can even find one. I can't even find a comp, but again, same group purchase. I think I paid $50. Definitely not mad at that. This is how you can kind of tell this is a dealer edition. It's not the typical GT Spirit box. So really neat. If you look around, there are other cars in the tail because I'm doing some big moves and changes to the collection, getting ready for the annual full collection video, so keep an eye out for that. I think you'll like the new layout. So that's it for this week. Everyone, please like and subscribe. Have a good one.